Hello, this is Sonam Jayant and this is 60-day English speaking challenge, and I welcome all of you in my 60-day English speaking challenge where you can challenge yourself to go outside, shoot the video, and you don't need to perfect grammar. Don't worry about perfect grammar. You just need a courage where you can start practicing because life is very short. What else, what happen in next moment, nobody knows about it. So just be relaxed and start speaking in front of camera where whatever you like, just start practicing because you don't need a specific environment. If you don't have any partner, you can practice with anybody. Like there is so many apps, there are so many apps you can practice where if you don't want to practice and you don't want to like give money spend money, then you can practice with mirror shadowing practice. There is chat gpt, gemini. Oh my god, how many options are available. You have to just be consistent and start practicing because practice makes you perfect. Because earlier when I was started my journey, so I was also fumbled a lot. I had no idea how to start, how to speak, but slowly and gradually, when I started taking this challenge, then I challenged myself to making video every single day. Every single day, I challenged myself to go outside and shoot the video, describing the thing, what is happening surrounding. So just make your own sentences, be relaxed and start speaking, start practicing like way. So you will learn English very naturally. You don't need to a specific sentence pattern. You don't need a specific grammar rules and regulation. No, you are learning very naturally, very easily. So you have to just push yourself every single day, making sentences. One day, one day, after 2 3 days, then you will feel comfortable. After doing this practice, you will start feeling like, yeah, I can do this. This is very easy for me, and things become very easy to you because whenever you start and whenever you challenge yourself. So first day, second day, third day, fourth day, it becomes very hard. It's become very difficult. You can't do it, but after 10 day, 15 day, you will start feeling like, yeah, I can do it. So never give up, start speaking. So I just start speaking. I just describe the day, what is happening, what happened, and what will happen. I just practice this way. So you can see right now I am on my terrace. So this is the view of my terrace. Right now I am sitting on this coat. This is a traditional Indian coat. This is very little cute, comfortable. You can unwind yourself to sitting this coat and you can just gossiping with your family members. You can enjoy soaking the sun. So there are a lot of memory related to this coat. And I was just came here to like gathering the wheat. You can see my mother has sprayed this wheat on the sari, and there are some clothes they are hanging on the wire. There are some pickle jar, and yeah, this is Indian home, so you can say. And behind me there is a, I don't know why I forgot, there is a dragon fruit plant. So my brother has planted. It's been I think 2.5 years, and we harvested 2 times. So it is very easy to harvest. You have to just plant it, and after 1.5 year you will get the dragon fruits. So yeah, I'm looking forward to when we will harvest another crop, another dragon fruit. So now there is no fruits on the plant. So this way you can practice English. When I was a beginner, that time I had no idea how to start, how to make the sentences. But when I started making sentences one by one, then things become very easy for me. It's like a piece of cake for me, and I'm killing two birds with one stone. I am enjoying the beautiful moment. I'm soaking the sun, I'm practicing English, I'm recording the video. Oh my god. And things become very easy for me. So you can also feel this, like you can also feel very easy if you will be consistent. Consistency comes with practice and discipline. So you just need consistency, and things become easy, and you will start feeling like, yeah, I can do it. It was so easy, I was just worried about. So keep learning, keep growing. And if you don't have any environment, any partner, so you can practice with ChatGPT. And I feel very comfortable with Gemini. So you can practice English with Gemini. Whenever I get stuck, I just get the feedback from Gemini, and it is a great and greatest invention of this era, like AI. So just do it every single day. And if you have any doubt, then you can just comment in the comment section. I always try to yeah, answer your question. So the wind is blowing so nicely, and I'm enjoying this moment. So are you also uh, like uh, like this environment where you can unwind yourself, this beautiful moment environment? So I also love this place, because this place is very magical for me, because I started the journey of this place, and I am learning English, and I made so many followers, friends, and I made so many memories. And yeah, I'm looking forward to when I will be a great speaker, when I present myself a good speaker as well. So yeah, so this way. So did you like the video? If yes, so let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing.